It happens on farms all the time. A farmer walks out into his field to check the dryness of his soil. He digs down a bit and it looks dry. Time to water, right? Not so fast. The approach to carefully digging up multiple soil samples and having a lab analyze your water content is called volumetric soil water content measurement. Farmers have relied on this method for years, but is it giving them the data they need? The top layers or certain sections of your soil may be dry, but what really matters is whether the plant actually needs water. You're missing an essential part of the equation. You don't know what the crop actually wants from such a small and inconsistent sample. Using volumetric soil water content measurement can lead to overwatering, which some may consider less risky than not watering enough. But think about how much water, time, and money you are wasting. Every drop and every dollar count when it comes to farming. What if you knew exactly what the crop needed and when, so you could conserve water, minimize nutrient use, and limit runoff? A better way to truly know what's happening beneath the soil is to be able to see into the active root zone of your plants. By monitoring layer by layer in the soil, you'll know if there's available moisture at active root depth, whether the crop is gathering strength as it goes into budding or fruiting, or whether the crop is finishing its season and letting you know you can pull back on irrigation. The tool that can show you what's happening at your crop's active root zones layer by layer is called Crophacy by Aquaspy. This unique pay-as-you-grow smartphone app uses sensor data from probes installed in your field to give you hourly insight into how your crops are performing. To do this, Crophacy includes an easy-to-install wireless sensor probe with each mobile subscription. It sends out signals at 4-inch depth intervals at the root zone, functioning as a complex permittivity sensor. Measuring permittivity rather than volumetric water amounts gives you a view of what's happening layer by layer into the soil and delivers it to you in just a matter of minutes. The measurement considers 3 variables: moisture, soil type, and temperature, the most important being moisture. The Crophacy probe looks at the soil profile through various layers of soil, giving you a more accurate reading of soil moisture versus looking at one spot. The best part? You don't have to go into the field or do any complicated programming. All you have to do is push the soil sensor into the ground. It sends out electrical signals at the different sensor marks, turning readings into metrics you can use to make better watering decisions. After all, you don't want only part of the picture of what's going on with your crops. To get the best crop quality using fewer inputs, you need the whole picture. And that's what Crophacy delivers.